Hello, my name is Rachel Mellinger and I'm an engineer in the Groundwater Resource Department here at the district. Today I'm going to be demonstrating groundwater and our groundwater basin using this Awesome Aquifer kit. It's really useful and great for teachers to use. So then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about groundwater and why it's so important. So 70% of the Earth's surface is water. Only 3% of that is actually fresh water that can be used for drinking water. And up to 44% of our drinking water in the US is from groundwater. So it's a very vital resource for us. Now I'm going to use the model to represent a slice of the Bay Area. I'm going to be moving over the gravel to one side to kind of make a mound on one side and show surface water on the other. Notice on this side that there's still water over here, and that kind of represents our Bay Area. And over here is the land, which would represent our district. Historical farming in our district led to a lot of pumping to provide water for our crops. So all on this side, there was a lot of pumping. And what that did was it brought this level of groundwater that's shown here down. And what that meant is that all the water from this side moved into the freshwater area of our basin. Now I'm going to create a small stream to demonstrate another part of our task here at ACWD to protect our groundwater basin. So this middle part represents a stream, and this represents different areas within the district. So imagine there was someone on this side maybe with an underground storage tank, and imagine this is just a regular resident. Imagine that the underground storage tank has leaked petroleum. The petroleum can sink to the bottom and enter our groundwater. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. So when I put the pump on this side, imagine if you want to pump water to maybe water your plants or something, then you're actually going to get that contaminated water. It's going to flow through and come to the discharge area, which is now your pump. Groundwater moves slowly, but it can definitely move from one area to the other and contaminate different sites. One thing that ACWD does is protect our groundwater from sites that are contaminated through our groundwater protection program. One way that we do that is by installing monitoring wells. So in this case, we will go down and collect samples of the water. Then we can determine how contaminated it is, what are the contaminants within the groundwater, and come up with a plan to clean the basin. Because of the saltwater intrusion, ACWD has an aquifer reclamation program, which is a combination of well pumping, water recharge, and our desalination plant that is located in Newark. We don't want to have this saltwater in our freshwater basin because we use so much of our groundwater for drinking water. To recharge the area of our basin, we have our rubber dams, quarry lakes, and surface water. Then within our basin also, we have production wells. The fresh water is pumped up from our basin and is treated to remove the salts and other minerals, and then is distributed to our customers.